So you're thinking of planting a native hedge. It's predominantly made up of hawthorn. This is what it looks like as a cell-grown plant. But you can mix in several other species such as blackthorn, holly and field maple. The mix is totally up to you, but I'd recommend that you look at the local hedges around you to see what's in the hedges naturally, so that your hedge will be in keeping with the rest of the environment that you're putting it into. There's no set figure, but normally we'd say about 60 to 70% hawthorn and then made up of 4 or 5 other species. But do look at what's in your local hedges so that it's in keeping, and I'll show you how to plant one. Right, we're going to plant a mixed hedge. Predominantly it will be hawthorn. So you'd plant them at 18-inch spacing in the row, or 45 centimetres with one in the middle in a zigzag shape as how it's traditionally done. So we'll put the first one in. Then in the same line we'll plant it 45 centimetres or 18 inches away from it, following the hedge line, and put the next one in. This time we're going to put in a holly. And then on the second row, it's anywhere between 6 to 12 inches away from that row in the middle, you plant another one. This time we're putting blackthorn in. As we said before, we'd recommend 60 to 70% of thorn, but then you plant your other species in. I would recommend that you plant the other species in groups of 2 or 3, because your thorn is very fast growing. So if you plant them in 2 to 3 together, that'll give you a window of them to come up and they won't get smothered out by the thorn. And you can put them at random spacings, not every, so that it looks natural. And look at what's in your predominantly hedges around your property to see what's in the native to your area, and do the mix accordingly. A couple more tips for you, especially when you're planting when they're in leaf, is to make sure that you keep them watered. Give them at least a watering once or twice a week depending on what the weather's doing, and also protect them from rabbits for at least 2 to 3 years. So if you're interested in finding out more about the benefits of cell-grown plants, then check out our YouTube channel.